we do this market update every seminar, and I printed off a different chart than I usually do. This is pretty much year-to-date numbers that we got off of the Krebs site, and it's showing pretty much the trends that we've been seeing for the last 18 months. Sales volume is really, really off. Almost 13% total sales. That's the number of houses that are changing hands in Calgary is, down 13% from last year. And what we really want to focus on, though, is the average price. You can see that Calgary's average price is actually still increasing. It's only a little bit, but we'll take it. It's at 631 right now, and we've discussed this many, many times. Calgary's average price is only 631,000. We're way behind. We're almost at half of what the big cities are in Calgary. I'll show you on the next, or in Canada, I'll show you on the next slides what Toronto and Vancouver are doing this year. But because Calgary is still increasing, it shows us that segments of our market are still very, very healthy.
Yeah, and what is crazy, I was out showing in Oak Ridge on the weekend, and I had told the client, the property came on the market Friday morning. I had told the client, you know what, Jamie, we're going to go see this tomorrow. It's fine, it's not going to sell. Apparently, it had 4 offers on it. Boom, gone, sold. I called the realtor and said, "Are you kidding me? Like, what's going on? You think the market's slow because sales are way down, like way, way down. But the upper end of the market, 900 plus, I would say, it's moving right now. So it's a good time. And who's buying those properties? We know the clients we were showing, they're moving up. So they're basically living where they live, Mahogany, in the back of Mahogany, in the mid 7 range or low 7 range. And they feel that right now is the time to jump up into the $1 million range. So it's happening. So there's different segments. You have to understand that. And because the upper end is moving, it will keep our prices on the upward trend, which is really healthy for Calgary as well.
Yeah, and on this next slide, you just got to look at the percentage changes in Vancouver and the percentage change in Toronto, and you can see that, we're still roughly 50% of their average price. It's crazy to see that if you looked at Calgary and Toronto 25 years ago, our average prices were about the same. We were about around the 350 to 400 mark for an average price in Calgary and Toronto. Toronto just shot right up because they got most of the population gain of Canada over those 25 years. And we still have a ways to go to where we think Calgary reaches an equilibrium with those two big cities. Their prices raced up so fast that it's very, very unaffordable to live there. But you can see that Calgary's price is very affordable. So anybody moving to this country, moving from other provinces in this country to Calgary, they find that it's an affordable place to live. And real estate investors are going to benefit from that because there's more and more of a renter pool.
Yeah, and you know what? If you just look around downtown, I was driving down McLeod Trail today. You could see the London project down there. The next 2 buildings are getting built. That thing has been stalled for
That's
maybe.
actually a different project.
Oh, it's a different project, but that originally was going to go up. It was 4 towers originally. That's been stalled for like 15 years. So and then the YMCA behind it, there's a tower going up there. So when you see all of this development going on, and we talk to a lot of developers, you can just read the Calgary Herald. You'll see that we're getting a W Hotel, we're getting a new Marriott, we're getting an Autograph down at Stampede Ground. So when you see this development happening, you can just feel what's going to happen in Calgary, that the developers are spending all this money. They believe people are moving here. They believe in Calgary, first of all, which is really, really exciting. And we're going to see another phase in the next 3, 5, 7 years here in Calgary. So if you're owning real estate, the only way is up. Yes, we're flat this year. We might be, I don't think we're going to be flat next year. I don't know what's going to happen with Donald Trump, but you know what? And the tariffs, but you can just feel that things are happening and it's exciting times. And what we love about this market, just to finish up on the market report, what we love about it is our clients have choice. I mean, not the one I went on the weekend at 900,000, it sold straight away, but in the $600,000 range where the sweet spot is for a rental property, we finally have choice. We can decide if we want to do a flip project or a BRRRR or just a straight up rental or just legalize a basement suite. So it's exciting times for us.
Yeah, so that's our market report for this week.